Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have here with me this beautiful RIIQIICHY Women Scarf that I think is such a good purchase. Not only do I love this color, as you can see, this is a beautiful rust color. Such a unique color, yet so neutral. I can wear it with so many things in my closet, which is nice. I also love the material. It's super soft. It doesn't wear out. I've had this for quite some time, which is nice. And I can wear it in so many different ways. If I want to just use this as a nice scarf, I love that it keeps me nice and warm if it's chilly outside, and it doesn't feel too heavy. It's very lightweight, which I obviously love about having a scarf that I can take with me everywhere. And also I can even use this as a wrap because it does have the perfect length and width for it. So I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a great scarf, and that's my point of view.